Welcome back to another episode of Smooth Operator Trucking, where we create the dream 1 mile at a time. Today, we're going to be attempting to change the fan clutch hub on a 2007 Freightliner Colombia Detroit 60, and we're getting started right now. All right, so today I'm going to be attempting to replace the fan clutch on this thing. I replaced this. This right here is a solenoid switch. All right, this air line goes to anyways, that air line goes to right up in there. Now, see some videos. They remove this, remove this. Yeah, so I'm probably gonna remove this, and I'm probably gonna remove this, probably gonna remove this. Probably going to get this out of the way, and probably going to remove this. Then remove the fan. After the fan, remove the belt and the tensioner for the fan. Remove this, and then at that point, try to remove the hub. So, let's see how it goes. If you're troubleshooting, trying to figure out whether it's your fan clutch or your solenoid. I mean, this solenoid is pretty cheap to replace, $100-something. But if you release this quick connect or the quick connect up here, and you have the switch turned on this particular truck, 2007 Freightliner Colombia Detroit 60, there should be air coming out of here with the switch on. So I know I'm getting air coming through here, and that means that air is going to the clutch, but the clutch isn't locking up like it's supposed to. So we're going to try to replace the fan clutch today, okay? This is not a how-to video. This is just an illustration of when you're an owner operator, some of the things that you have to do. I paid $897 for the part. To have someone else put it on, it's about a 3-hour job. So you're probably looking at $450 to $600, right? So I'm gonna save myself that money, and I'm gonna attempt to do it myself. So we'll see what happens. Before I get started, I like to take a picture of everything, so that way I kind of remember how everything was. Even though this is pretty cut and dry, so I don't think it'll be that big of a deal. And they can always just go back and look at the video. So everything that I'm planning on taking apart, I'll take a picture of it, so that way put it back the way it was. Spray everything down with WD-40 anywhere that I think that I'm going to be that bar off. All right, next we're gonna take this off. Now I'm taking off the fan. I believe there is 4 nuts back here. I've got one of them off already. Kind of had to hold this. Want to get that socket in a good position to where you can get some. Oh, yeah, that was tough. I think I'm gonna get a cheetah bar in there. This is actually to a hydraulic jack lift, but it'll fit on the end of the socket handle there, and it'll give me a little more. I dropped this down in the radiator housing. I had to make something, they chain something together. One of those little key things that you click on or something to get this out. There's an easy way to do that. They actually have them at the store. It's magnetic. I think a lot of times they got a mirror on the end of it, so when you lose tools like that. But anyways, back to it. Zip ties on here. I've got all 5 nuts taken off. Person is idling their truck next to me pretty much all night long, which I mean, I'm not like a Karen when it comes to idling, but I mean, the weather is like so nice out here. It is not too hot, not too cold. It is totally unnecessary. And then most of the time she wasn't even in there, like she's been like in the lounge doing other things. So I don't know, maybe there's something I'm missing. I guess it ain't none of my business, but go to the other side, and from my understanding, she's got an APU. All right, now that's out of the way. And you know what the funny thing about it is I don't even hear, I don't, but you can see, okay, it's not, see, it's not, yeah. But you don't hear the bearing, so that's good, but I mean.
It's not the bearing, baby, it's leaking. And in the front, it's leaking.
Yeah.
You want to turn it on.
Yeah, probably, yeah. All right, so we remove the belts. I might not have to remove, I'm talking to YouTube. No, remove the belts, might not have to remove the tensioner. Now I gotta remove this. Yeah. And then from there, we'll remove the 3 bolts and see what we got.
Now you can double.
You said what now?
It's not double?
Is there a double one?
That one in the bottom one. No. That one and that one.
Yeah, take them off. Do you have to take them off separately? Looks like it's coming right off.
It's coming out from the bottom, yeah.
There we go. I don't know. I love trucking, so.
No, it's not bad. I don't work like, I work once in a month.
Once a month?
I came from Phoenix and drop it and go home and stuff.
Okay.
It's hard, it's a drug.
Can't tell. I don't know if I broke the ratchet or I might have broke the ratchet. Ha. Huh.
You broke?
Yeah, I've got to tighten those up. I hate these bumpers, man. Like, I've replaced those side bumpers like 2 or 3 times. The brackets, I've had to weld it. I'm just going to get a whole new bumper. I'm going to get a chrome one or something.
You want to weld it?
Yeah, I'm going to tighten it up before I leave in the morning, but... Yeah. Is yours a 3-piece also, or is it 1-piece?
Mine is 3-piece.
Yours is a 3-piece?
I just changed it. This one and that one 2-piece.
Oh, okay.
The front one is... The road is ugly, that's why.
Because of the boat what?
The road is bad.
Oh, the roads?
A lot of potholes.
Yeah.
Yeah, it feels like this is a third world country.
Oh, yeah. Where you from?
Africa, but
Okay, what part?
Ethiopia.
Oh, really?
So military been a good experience, huh?
Oh, yeah.
It's not coming up?
Seems like it, but I hope I'm not stripping it. I'm not able to get a lot of...
Do you put it like straight?
Uh-huh.
Then just a little bit with the big one, slow, not harder, but slowly push it.
I think it's coming.
Otherwise this lady running. It's coming?
It's coming, there's just not a lot of room. Maybe that's why.
Do you have extension? We could do like extension.
Let me see.
Do you have extension for that? The fan can go forward. Okay, now we can lift it up.
Got it? This is the old one, this is the new one. Now you can take this tensioner off before you put that on there, and that'll loosen some of the weight up. As a matter of fact, we'll put it on there. I'm going to I'm gonna put this on there once we put the yeah, so that way it'll just be easier to get it on there.
Yeah, it's gonna guide.
Yep, because it already guides you right there. It's got that little so. All right. Real careful.
That in for me? Yeah, like that. Up, you can pass that boat.
Yep. Let me see if I can.
Under now. Got that this a little bit.
All right, pull this up for me. Got it. Woo. Hold on a second.
Where is that? The guide right there.
It's right here.
Yeah.
There we go. Boom. Hell yeah. Woo!
We can tight this one.
Oh, that's getting loose too?
Yeah, there you go.
Does the bracket broke?
No. The boat. This one. Really more tight.
Woo! Boom. There it is. That one's always a little tricky. What? Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna do that first. Yeah, you go. Gosh, man, I just don't know why she's idling so much, man. Like, she's got an APU. It's not hot out here. Let's see here. So this one's actually just a matter of hey, could you give me the socket? Not that yeah, the ratchet, the big one. Yep. That one's the easy one. I forgot to even. Okay.
Which one you usually go first? Doesn't matter.
What's that? The flip belt? No, it doesn't matter. What matters is, yeah, I always forget. I always have to look at a picture. I know this goes behind. Yep. All right. Cool. God dang it. Yep. Cool. Definitely want to make sure all that's good. Now for the fan. She's idling so much, man. Like she's got an APU. It's not hot out here. Huh.
What's up?
Say again?
Put one bolt, that way it won't come out.
Put one.
Right?
Huh.
What's up? You have the washers?
Yeah, I got the washers. Yep. God dang it.
I like to do it, but I can't stand more.
You say you what?
I enjoy like fixing things.
Uh-huh.
But I can't stand more than like
Oh, okay.
my fan or something. I can't bend my back.
Yeah.
I never hurt, but like it doesn't matter when I go like this and try to work. I can't get up.
Okay, appreciate it. All right, that's everything. See how it's not moving? Make sure everything is put back on there. Make sure there's no extra parts. Yeah, looks like she's fixed. Well, it looks like she's all fixed up. Hope you guys enjoyed this content. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe. Woo, looking good. Anyways, as I always say, it's not about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. Hard times don't last, hard truckers do. And last but definitely not least, stay smooth, my friends.